A plan that's been brewing for years finally comes to fruition.
It's the first of that we know in the world of something like this.
Foodbank and fertiliser manufacturer Nutrog have teamed up, breaking new ground with old grounds, turning leftover coffee that would usually end up in landfill into fertiliser. The result, human beans. It hit the shelves today and each bag sold, helping families in need.
Every bag will put 2 meals on the table at Foodbank.
We're going to use those funds to buy the food, the extra food that we need to meet the demand, and at the moment we're not being able to meet demand.
Foodbank collects the grounds from OTRs, Bunnings cafes and Bedford Industries. Then they come here, where Nutrog turns it into pelletised goodness for our flowers and trees. The fertiliser is now being sold in Bunnings stores nationwide, and it's already being used right here on the vegetable patch in our botanic gardens.
You know, it's the full circle of sustainability, isn't it? We've taken the waste products in here, growing vegetables, which the kids will then eat, which is awesome.
The project has its roots here in South Australia, but there's scope for Foodbank in other states to adopt the program and grow it across the country.
It really does still come down to the collection. So if it does prove to be a great income generator for a charity like Foodbank, well then it'll be copied all over the world, I'd hope.
Beth Excel, 9 News.
There you go. It just proves coffee fixes everything.
Exactly right.